This is Five Below on the monthly chart, and we can see last month we had a candle close above the 13 symbol monthly moving average. If we scroll down to the weekly chart, we can see for the past couple of weeks we have candle closes above the 13 and the 26 simple weekly moving average. We also have a kink in the 13 simple moving average, and at some point in the future, if this momentum to the upside continues, you'll get a bullish crossover, kind of like what you had back in October of 2022. Now, before we continue with analysis, let's look at this article. This past week, Five Below announced their third quarter financial results. They exceeded the guidance on sales, comps, and earnings. The company posted over 14% sales growth to reach $736 million, coupled with a 2.5% comp sales increase. Some highlights include they opened a record 74 new stores and converted approximately 50% of their store base to Five Beyond format. Five Below expects Q4 net sales to be between 1.32 and 1.35 billion, with a comp sales increase of 2 to 3%. Diluted earnings per share for Q4 are expected to be between $3.64 and $3.80, and between $5.40 and $5.56 for the full year. Here's what the CEO had to say during the earnings call. He attributed the company's success in discretionary categories for discerning customers and the company's value-focused offerings. He also expressed confidence in their competitive positioning and mentioned plans for future expansion of the Five Below and Five Beyond offerings. He stated that the company is monitoring online players like Temu, but has not seen a significant impact on their business yet. He concluded by expressing optimism about the future and wishing everyone a great holiday season. And it should be another great holiday season for Five Below. Again, the fourth quarter of each year is the time for retails to make the bulk of their money. All right, so we're going to start with the monthly chart again. And what we see is selling wicks starting at the $210 level. So if we just put a marker at the 220, that becomes the target. Again, we saw the 210 on the monthly chart, starting some of that headwinds in terms of selling pressure. So 220 becomes a target, 210 takes them off the table. Now entries. Let's go down to the daily chart. Again, price action, higher highs, high lows. And you had a false breakout to the downside on Thursday. Again, that was when previous day they announced their earnings. Came into this little area here. Now if you look at it, you have a gap and then another gap. So this is considered a daily buys level, not the best. But assume that these gaps extend the green candle. So this is a rally, a base, and then a rally higher. Price comes back, fills those unfilled buy orders, and shoots higher. Now, I do not anticipate price zooming up to the 210 in a straight line. I do anticipate some basing and a pullback. However, Five Below is moving higher. Again, target is 220. Takes them off the table at 210. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.